In this video, we're upgrading the stock pegs. These extra large pegs from Hemisphere Offroad are a direct fit and are machined from billet aluminum. The kit comes with mounting and cotter pins, and we purchased the optional gripper cleats that can be removed with an Allen wrench. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the aftermarket and OEM foot pegs. Cotter pin removal can be started using a flathead screwdriver. Then grab a pair of pliers and twist each end until straightened out. Next, hold the head of the cotter pin and pull straight out to remove, then grab the washer. The mounting pin can slide out now, which will allow for uninstallation of the foot peg. To remove the spring, rotate first, then pull down. To reinstall the spring, make sure the upper spring clip sits on top of the foot peg mount. The pegs will have a cutout for the lower spring clip. This will need to be seated before the peg is fully mounted. Before installing the pin, look from above to align the openings. Then slide the pin in. If it does not fully seat, adjust the foot peg until the pin pushes through. At the bottom, first install the washer and then the new cotter pin. A flathead screwdriver can be used to get the cotter pin open, and then use pliers and a twisting motion to lock the cotter pin into place. Another view, but with the aftermarket pegs installed this time. Before heading out on a ride, make sure both pegs have the full range of motion. And then you know what to do. For me, these have been great on and off-road. They have increased my riding confidence, and even with the gripper cleats, I can quickly take my foot off the pegs. It certainly makes standing up while riding more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and take it easy out there.